welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Darcia. I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and motherhood videos, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on this quick pony. Super cute and girly, great for last minute options when you know your hairstylist is busy, you need something nice, you want your hair up. This is very easy to do, especially if your hair is already washed or already, you know, silk pressed or already straightened or blow dried. This super quick and easy. We don't go too in with the hairspray and the gel. I feel like I've seen some tutorials where you are drowning in hairspray, but I tried to keep it to a minimum. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out to Junoda Hair for sending me these bundles, you know. I feel really pretty. So anyways, let's just jump right into the video because we don't want this to be too long. All right guys, so I am freshly out the shower. I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I usually use this heat protectant. This is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth, and I just spray it all over my hair. And I put a lot actually. And then sometimes I section my hair and I add some more. So to blow dry, I'm gonna use either or. Listen, I had money to waste. I bought both. I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one blow dries bigger chunks quicker, and the other one I'm gonna use it as like a smoothing type thing, situation thingy majig. So yeah, so I'm just gonna section my hair into 4. I don't usually do tutorials, so we're gonna start with this piece. I'm gonna add a bit more. I add a lot, honestly. I'm just gonna fast forward this, put some music over this because I'm gonna go in.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna
ride the all night, work it in the middle. I wanna ride the all night, work it in the middle. I wanna
You guys, I'm already over it. Like, I am out of breath. Oh my god, blow drying my hair. Honestly, when I think about it, maybe that's why I get someone to do these ponies for me, because I know I can do it myself. But I just, please, I feel like She-Hulk. I turned on my hot comb because what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to flat iron the perimeter of my head a little more just so it can lay a bit smoother. I'm gonna be a bit out of focus because the mirror is behind the camera, but I'm just gonna do this around the perimeter of my face and try not to burn my face because listen, I'm a pro at burning my face. If there was a competition at burning your face while doing your hair, I'd probably win. First prize, baby. Look, my forehead. I'm so reckless with this hot comb. Please, I just be going so close to my scalp, just brushing my hair like it's my hair. But I also like using this to flatten my my hair. Like, I feel like the roots of my hair, look how like voluminous it is. Voluminous, like it's just regrowth, 4C hair regrowth. I just use the hot comb to calm down my roots, you know, my regrowth. I wanted to show you guys the hair that we're using. So this hair is from Junoda. Shout out Junoda for sending me this package, working with me on this video. Let's unbox this together. So it comes in this pretty box. Ooh la la. And it comes with this brush. I've been wanting a new paddle brush. This one's cute. I like the emerald green. You know, we like colors. And I'm going to use it right now. Then you get this little pack, cute pack. Even if this isn't a wig, they're bundles, they still send me these. I have so many of them. And I don't even wear wigs anymore. Lashes, I get lash extensions. So this goes straight into my giveaway bin. And they're actually cute lashes. I just wear lash extensions. Then I got an edge brush, which we might use later. Then there's this pin that says Junoda. It's cute and like sparkly. And then there's the headband, the silk help headband, just to layer, you know, your hair, which I think I'm gonna use also. Then we got the hair. Comes in this nice silk bag, which we love. And I got 4 bundles, 4 or 3. three bundles of 20-inch hair. These are, I don't know what these are, but they're gonna be linked down below. They're like a body wave situation. And yeah, so we can get started. So I'm not really going to straighten my hair all that much. I'm not gonna go section by section. I noticed that it doesn't do much to my hair because I blow dry my hair so well, but I am going to just straighten my hair like briefly. So basically what we're gonna do is that we're gonna take the brush and we're just going to do this. Just big old chunks of hair and just do this quickly, just so we can get the frizz out. You know, I did get a haircut in my vlog, my birthday vlog. You guys might have seen this already, but I did get a haircut. So if my hair looks a bit like you see how like straight this is? My hair has never been cut like this, like a bob, almost a layered bob, because obviously my front pieces are really short. Yeah, just, you know, just so it can like be a little less sheepish. Obviously my hair looks nicer in a silk press. All right, so what we're going to do is that we're going to use a crap ton of hairspray. I know a lot of girls use the create a small ponytail, put like a crap ton of gel or hairspray, and then layer a bunch of ponytails on top of each other. I don't do that. I don't have time for that. The hairdresser does that. Me, no. So I'm gonna use this instant freeze hairspray, or I use the Got To Be, but I ran out. But I like this a lot, and we're just going to go in and just hairspray your hair, the whole perimeter of your hair. I'm running out, even the back. Ooh, running out. And yeah, there's nothing in here. But do not worry, I like to buy things in bulk. This is like a really good alternative to the Got To Be hairspray. This, guys, please. Then I'm gonna use this nasty bristle brush. This brush is my hair sleeking brush. That's what I like to use. It's full of product. I need to get a clean one for, you know, not this, but I like it for this, so yeah. Then I'm just gonna keep brushing my hair towards the back with the product. See, here is pretty poofy, so we're gonna go back with this and we're going to slick it down. And I don't like high ponies anymore. I used to love them, but it's not really my vibe anymore. So I prefer like a mid pony. That's more my vibe. And I'm just going to see how sleek it's getting. But this is like the at-home version. Like obviously hairdressers like take more time. This hairspray, if your hair is straightened or like really well blow dried, forget about it. This hairspray is gonna hold your hair. Actually, I need to text my friend Lo because she wants me to do a pony for her because she's walking in the fashion show. And I'm gonna need her to, you know, at least have her hair washed and blow dried. Okay, my edges are giving me a hard time. We will take care of you guys after. I like to slick my hair kind of like towards the side, because when I go towards the back, I just look like Vegeta. And I'm sorry, you know, self-love, but like not really. I don't like my hairline that much. Self-love for everything but the things you don't love. Oh my god, I am the worst. The back for me is really hard because I have a lot of like little hairs, and it's not really like breakage, it's just the little hairs you have like around your neck. Some girls curl them. I am not bothered. I cannot be bothered. I do not care about hair enough to do all of that. So now I grab 2 hair ties and I try to tie my hair as tight as I possibly can. I'm gonna pull out my edges because I don't want them suffocate. Guys, I'm really contemplating cutting this. Why is this so long? Okay, this hairspray is slightly too good, I think. Then I pull these out. I'm not a big fan of like a bunch of baby hair, so I try to pull out whatever naturally is gonna come out. Like I'm not gonna picking out my hairline. Then I'm gonna go in with a shining spray because we are going to need that just to make it look as sleek as possible. Now onto edge control. I use the infamous edge booster, and I'm gonna use that to slick my hair. Also, a good trick is to blow dry your hair as you're flicking it. That helps too. if you have a hard time sleeking it back. Also, this edge control probably has cement in it because like I don't understand why that thing keeps my hair so sleeked, whatever. Since my hair is blow dried and like straightened, I'm going to just do a braid, and then I'm gonna use this little elastic and tie the ends. This is a pathetic braid, looking a bit crazy, but we're getting there. Don't worry about this, we'll fix this when we're done with the, actually I'll do it right now. So I'm gonna go in with the hairspray, and this is where, you know, you're kind of gonna you're gonna work a bit more. You're gonna sleek your hair with your flat paddle brush, whatever, or bristle brush, whatever you want to call this type of brush, and you're gonna hold it, and then you're gonna use a blow dryer or a fan, and you're just gonna hold it. And you can brush at the same time as well. All right, so on to the bundles. I think I'm gonna have to use 2. Sometimes I have to use 1. We'll see how this goes. Ooh, bouncy. Going to brush my hair through it. Yeah, I like this pattern. It's giving crimps, but like curly crimps. Ooh, this is, okay, now that I brushed my fingers through it, it feels really thick. Like you get a lot of hair in this bundle. Like I might not even need 2 bundles. All right, so if you are patient, which I'm not, you're gonna fold it in half. Fold it in half, like so. And I like to start with the part where the 2 ends of the bundle connect, and I'm just gonna pull out, not pull out, but like just separate a small piece and lay the actual weft flat on top of the braid. And this piece, we're gonna wrap it around the little braid. So we're just going to, I haven't done this in a while, but this is what I do. I just pass it through under and just keep wrapping it around. Putting this like somewhere to the side, I don't know. And wrapping it around the braid. And this has been wrapped around so tight that you won't even need anything to secure it. Well, I don't know what y'all planning to do while wearing this pony. If you're planning to fight, I would probably suggest, you know, pinning this down, but we don't fight on this channel. So yeah, then the rest of the hair, we're just gonna do the same thing, but on the opposite side. So making sure that the weft, the actual weave weft, whatever, is flat. And we're just gonna keep wrapping it around the braid. So, and then you guys are going to see the braid disappear under the hair. I'm gonna turn around, show you guys. And when you're at the end, you're gonna do the exact same thing you did in the beginning. Yay, we're done. Do I feel like I need more hair? We're gonna do this. Grab some hairspray and just wrap it around, you know, just to close off the pony. This is actually really high for what I wanted, but I'll just make it lower next time. And then I just keep wrapping until the strand of hair disappears, and it doesn't move usually for me. I think I'm gonna add another bundle because I feel like, you know, it's giving thin. I feel like I can see through the hair, which is kind of bothering me. I don't know why that is. Like wearing extensions, I feel like it always looks better to us, like to most women when we wear extensions, when we have like a crap ton of hair on our head, you know? So we're just gonna do the same thing. Same thing again. I'm going to cut this bundle because that would have been a bit too much hair on my head. And then we're going to do the whole hairspray thing again. And we're done. All right, you guys, so that is the finished look. Actually, I'm running late and I have somewhere to go, but yeah, this is how the ponytail looks like. This is basically just like a nice last minute option when you don't know what to do with your hair. You know, your friends are like, there's a barbecue, come on, let's go, and your hair's just looking all. Buy some bundles, keep them at home. At least you know that it's foolproof, it's gonna work. I feel really pretty in this, and it's very nice for like the summertime. I like having this texture here. During the summer, it's nice and full. Junoda hair, you guys did that. The bundles have a lot of hair in them, and yeah, so a good 20-inch bundle never fails for a pony. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Everything will be linked down below, promise.